Hi, I'm Tracy with Risk Specialists LLC. If a storm just rolled through your area, especially one with high winds, hail, or flying debris, now is the time to file for a roof inspection. Even if you don't see obvious damage from the ground, your shingles may be cracked, lifted, or missing, and waiting too long can void your coverage. Here's the rule. File for a roof inspection within 72 hours of the event, or as soon as it's safe to do so. Insurance carriers often set tight timelines for reporting storm damage, and missing those deadlines could cost you your entire claim. Also, if your neighbors are getting inspections, you should too. Damage in your area means your roof was likely affected even if you can't see it yet. Want help booking an inspection or understanding what's covered? Text me directly at 316-334-8633 or visit RiskSpecialistsLLC.online. Protect your roof, protect your claim, and protect your peace of mind. Follow for more expert insurance tips from someone who's been on both sides of the claim.